Everybody, it's Lyn from Let me try that again. Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Beebeecraft Designs. It's morning. I don't know why I say that, because it's actually 10:30. I've been up since 6 o'clock. Come on. Can't get your mouth in gear. I've already done this video once. And I actually think I deleted it. Okay. This is a demo for Beebeecraft. These are the glass frosted beads. Okay. They're so pretty. Okay. So many colors. So, the first ones I did 2 apples and a... Oh, I'll get them out and show you. Sorry, they're already in bags. I did this apple. This apple. Let me see, it's got pretty... apple green. This one has red and green. And then I did the cauldron, and it's got black and orange. Okay, they're adorable, I know they are. But for some reason, like a dumb I deleted it. I deleted part of another one too, and for some reason I can't restore it from my recycle bin. So now I've got these 3. This one is a TV, and it's got a little giraffe and a little zebra. But the charm inside is a music note. And the cubics is a gold color. Ah, pretty, pretty. Then there's this one. It's a foot. With a foot. So adorable. And then it's got a little pineapple. Alright. Then there's this one. It's so cute. It's a little soda. And it's got a little ice cream cone. But it doesn't have a charm because it wasn't large enough to put a charm. But it does have a cubic zirconia. It does have a little red one. And it's got a little glitter up here for the cherry. So cute. I need to drill a hole at the top of each one to put the eye screw, the eye pin. But I've got a new pin vise to show you. But God, I'm just really talking bad about myself today, aren't I? I don't have enough hand strength to drill into the resin with the pin vise. I'm sure it works. It doesn't work for me because I don't have enough hand strength. That being said, it did work beautifully on polymer clay. I was going to show you, but I don't even know where that is. I'm really pathetic today, aren't I? Alright, so I'm going to drill these holes, and then I'll be back. I've got the jump rings for the beads themselves that are going to go on a little head pin. Then I've got, these are a very substantial jump ring that actually comes with these key rings to hold them, because a regular jewelry jump ring will not hold. Okay? Imagine your keys take a lot of wear and tear. Okay? So, I'm going to drill the holes, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's see if we can get through this video without deleting it this time. I'm going to grip the jump ring, put it through the eye hook, screw the eye hook. Thread the key ring on. Grab your other pliers. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist one hand, the right hand, away from me, and I'm going to twist the left hand towards me. First I'm going to get a better grip of these pliers. Because like I said, these are significant jump rings. And then I'll try to put my fingernail in the gap to see if it's closed tight enough. Because if my fingernail will fit, one of those tinier jump rings will also fit. So I want it to be really close. That is even further away. There we go. If I'd put my glasses on, I could see better. Guarantee you. There. That is what we want. Alright, now I'm just going to do that to the other two, and then we'll come back and put on the beads. Now this time we're not going to use any seed bead on the end, no bead caps, no nothing. It's just going to be beads. So I've got this particular set, while this one was close. Ooh, those pinks. We'll use those pinks. Okay, so we'll grab a pink. Let's see, I'm going to use these browns for sure. Okay, those browns. We need 2 of those. Are those really a brown? No. Those are red. So we may actually... No, we'll use these browns. Alright. Okay, we'll use these browns with yellow. Okay, then we'll use these orange with the yellow. We'll go with this red. Yeah. That pink seems to be the same color, so we'll go with the pink and white. The reason I like to use glass beads as opposed to acrylic beads on the key rings is because it does add a little extra weight. The key rings themselves don't really have a lot of weight, So the glass beads help to give it that. Alright. There is the yellow and brown. Now, I'm going to take these, which are a needle nose, ring nose kind of pliers. They're a jewelry plier. And I'm going to grip just above where the beads end. I'm going to give it a little extra room so the beads still move around at this point. Then I'm going to fold it back. Now, the reason that I do leave that gap is because if you don't, when you bend the rest of the head pin over, it can crack the glass beads, and you don't want that. So, now I'll just use my index finger as a guide. I'll put it next to the bead. My pliers have a cutter. I'm just going to cut on the other side of my index finger. Okay. Then I'm going to turn that tip up, back towards myself. And then I'm going to continue the roll. Alright. Now, I can straighten it up a little bit. I can bend it back on itself just a little bit, which makes a nicer it makes a nicer eye on your eye pin. Okay, so there we go. It's as easy as that, and I'll do another one just to show you how easy it is. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this tropical sunset one. I wish there was an in-betweener red, but still that's very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to grip the head pin just above the beads, just so they have a little wiggle room. I'm going to bend it back away from myself. Use my index finger as a guide. Cut the end off. Bend that tip back up towards the sky. Then finish the roll. There we go. Just gonna bend it back. Then turn it around and make sure that it's closed. There you go. They're so pretty. What the heck? Let's just do the other one. Got a wonky head pin there. Grip it just above the beads. Bend it back. Use your finger as a guide. Cut tip off, fold that tip up towards the sky, then just continue the roll. And let's give it a little prettiness. There we go. Okay, Now we'll just grab these other jump rings. Now the other pliers aren't necessarily necessary, just because these are a light enough jump ring that I could probably bend it with my fingers. I'm not sure closing it would work. Alright. Once again, I'll